What is biology? Biology is defined as the study of life. State 5 branches of biology. First one is botany, which is the study of plants. Zoology, which is the study of animals. Microbiology, study of microscopic organisms. We have cell biology, which is the study of cells, and then entomology, which is the study of insects and their control. State the differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. A plant cell is usually large, where an animal cell is usually small. A plant cell has cell wall, where an animal cell does not have cell wall. A plant cell has chloroplast, where an animal cell does not have chloroplast. Plant cell is regular in shape, where an animal cell is irregular in shape. State the use of the following laboratory apparatus in biology, of course. A sweep net is used for catching flying insects. A potter is used for sucking small animals, normally from the barks of trees. Bait trap is used for attracting and trapping small animals. A pair of forceps for picking stinging animals. Specimen bottle for storing collected specimen. And fish net for trapping small fish. Then you have this other question. State 3 rules of binomial naming. Of course, what is binomial nomenclature? Binomial naming is a scientific double naming of living organism where an organism is given two names. The first name is genus name, the second name is species name. So rules, number 1, the genus name must always start with a capital letter, while the species name must always start with a small letter. The names should be underlined separately or italicized. The names should be written in Latin. There is another question, is that the scientific name of blackjack is Bidens pilosa. Which taxonomic unit does the name Bidens refer to? It refers to the genus, while pilosa is the species. So what is a species? It's a small group of living organisms which interbreed to give rise to a viable offspring. So why are viruses not referred to as living organisms? It's because they do not live, they exist. So they cannot do anything on their own unless they are in the body of a living organism. Binomial nomenclature, I have already defined it, is the scientific double naming of a living organism. Entomology is the study of insects and their control. Ecology, study of living organisms and their surrounding. Cytology is the study of cells. Then you given that a student used different microscope with different magnification lens and eyepiece lenses. So eyepiece lens is written there and objective lens. So what is total magnification? Total magnification, you get it by multiplying eyepiece lens times objective lens magnification. So times 20 times 10, you get times 200, times 5 times 20, you get times 1,000. Times 10 times 100, you get times 1,000, and times 10 times 40, you get times 400, times 10 times 20, you get times 200. So here you're given a microscope. You're told that the diagram shows a light microscope. So you are given the parts labeled E, A, B, C, D, like that. You're told to name part A, B, C, D, and E. So part A is the body tube. Part B is the coarse adjustment knob. Part C is the arm. Part D is the mirror. Part E is the eyepiece lens. State the functions of the condenser. Condenser concentrates light on stage before allowing it to pass through the specimen. Stage is where you place the specimen that is under observation. Fine adjustment knob, it brings image to sharp focus. You're then told to draw a well-labeled diagram of an animal cell. That is it, as seen as under light microscope. You just see a cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. No much details are seen. Then you're told, give the differences between a light microscope and an electron microscope. Of course, a light microscope uses light, while an electron microscope uses a beam of electrons. Light microscope has low magnification, while electron microscope has high magnification. Light microscope has low resolving power. Electron microscope has high resolving power. Light microscope is used to see or to view dead and living specimen, while electron microscope is used purely for dead specimen. Then you are told to state the function of the following cell organelles: a cell membrane, it selectively allows substances in and out of a cell. Mitochondria, it's the site for respiration, or it's as well known as the powerhouse of the cell. Cytoplasm is the site for chemical or metabolic reactions. The nucleus controls all the activities of the cells and also stores genetic information. Chloroplast is the site for it's the site for photosynthesis. Differentiate between a plant and an animal. So a plant only moves its part, where an animal moves from one place to another in search for food and pasture. Also mates, escape from predators, or drought and famine. Plant has chlorophyll, animals does not have chlorophyll. Plant responds slowly to changes in environment. Animals respond quickly to the changes in environment. Plant lack complex excretory organs, where animals have complex excretory organs. What is a cell? A cell, we say it's the basic functional and structural unit of a living organism. What is a tissue? It's a group of cells working together to perform a specific function. An organ, it's a group of tissues working together to perform a specific function. An organ system is a group of organs working together to perform a specific function. State the function of the following parts. Root hair cell. Root hair cell is used to absorb water and mineral salt. Red blood cell, it's used to transport oxygen, where white blood cells fight disease-causing microorganisms. Thank you for watching. For this and more questions, see my channel, Pinky Science Academy. Bye.